Hey there, Haunt fans. This is Vince with Team Skulleton Crew, and tonight we are at Six Flags Over Georgia checking out their media preview night for Fright Fest. They have 5 different haunts. Conjure is the brand new one this year, and we are excited to see that. So with no further ado, let's go get some scares. All right, and we're into Carnival of Chaos. Got our big banners here. Just like being at a carnival. Maybe real, maybe no, I don't know. Cool banners. Are you real? Oh, yeah, he's real. Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
Do I want to get her a good side? Oh, Ringling.
Yeah.
Shout out there.
Okay. Real, not real, we don't know.
I don't know. Let's see.
Here we go. Oh, I was gonna look at myself in the mirror. Is this a coffin? It's a coffin. Oh, check out that. It's very floral.
Yeah, the lay room.
I don't know. Can you say that? Oh, look. This is different. Hi. Hi. You can't make them go. Oh, well. Hi. Oh, they're waiting on us.
Lights.
We got another mirror.
Nice.
Oh, we have a disabled clown.
Oh, wow.
All right, and another coffin, a blue coffin. Eek. All right. I guess we keep going straight on. Oh, hi. Oh, wow. Okay. Stuff hanging down. Oh. Whoa, on the floor.
Did you bring buttons, candy?
No candy.
No.
Sorry.
Bye!
Bye, buttons. No candy for buttons. I
guess. But no, we gotta go through here. All right, we're keeping.
Why are you so scared?
We're maintaining the coffin theme. Oh, hi. Hello.
I'm really crazy.
Oh, I am too sometimes. Wait.
That was good.
Oh.
That was good.
Oh, now you got to try to do a.
Oh, really?
Oh,
Go through,
one of these with a gimbal.
Okay, all right. Going through the bladders.
Oh.
This is a long bladder. Feels kind of good though. Oh, there we go. All right. She's kind of wet. You guys know buttons? All right.
All right, Six Flags doesn't disappoint. You got 5 walk-through haunts. You've got 3 different scare zones to check out in addition to all the other rides here at the park. So it's a great evening to spend. Again, I've been Vince from Team Skulleton Crew. If you want to see more videos from Team Skulleton Crew, you can check out our video of Scavenged Souls walkthrough last year in Woodstock, Georgia. So go see a haunt as soon as you can and stay scary.